Everything starts with a seed. You started with a seed and an egg. Together, I guess these are already fertilized. This is oats, avena.
Avena.
This is oats. We got a cabinet here to keep the seeds in. That's so that the mice don't eat the seeds. We've collected lots more seeds than we even have planted. But this year, 2019, is the most important year for planting we've ever had since forever. So we're going to take all these seeds out of here. We're going to catalog them. We're going to know what we got. We're going to make a plan for every seed. We're going to make a plan for every part of the ground. We're improving mapping. We got nice people here with us to help out. And I'm going to invite a lot more nice people to make a food forest, to figure out how humans can live in a forest with a lot of plants. Now, it takes a lot of work. These are all maguey seeds here, very exciting. We can make pulque with that. We can make even mezcal. We can make mezcal with that. People like that kind of thing. But it's going to take a little bit higher level of thinking. We're going to have to get more organized, have good spreadsheets, know why we're planting, what we're planting, where we're putting it. Yarr!
Los cerillos. Semillas de cerillos.
Semillas de fogatas. También tengo nueces más fresco. Wow, we got a lot of seeds here. These are all maguey seeds, which we collected, and so we could actually dig up a garden and plant these. Each one is going to become a whole maguey. A maguey is a big type of agave. It's like 2 meters across at least, shoots up a big flower, has multiple uses. These are easy to identify, so I think now that the cabinet is getting cleaned up, we'll just put them back in there. We'll take the oats and we'll put them back in there. Oats are not the biggest priority. Because we can buy oats and they require those are usually done as a monoculture crop. Squash and other stuff is really straightforward. We've got seeds in here that we haven't had success with, which we'd like to have success with. I don't even know what this is. ¿Tú no sabes qué es esto? ¿Lechuga?
Guasontle.
Guasontle. Oh, guasontle we've had great experience with. I don't know what that is in English, sorry. And we've got just jars and jars of seeds. There is so much power. This is amaranth. So much power sitting on this table, it's insane. We can plant acres and acres and acres and acres and acres and also more acres of just amazing plants. We've also got some things in here we have not succeeded with, like popcorn. Popcorn didn't grow for us before, but we often fail 1, 2, 3 times before we get success on something. So we'll make plans for each one of these things. Here's some cilantro. Oh, this one's exciting. This is walnuts right here. I bought these walnuts in the market. Anytime I'm out in town, I'm looking for seeds. Well, these are big seeds, and each one of these is becoming a whole tree, and that's going to take some time. But I'm thinking long term here. So mainly I'm focused on perennials, things that are going to grow for 40 years or more. Walnut is obviously a very valuable thing. And we've got some things that are just done for being pretty, you know. Some people have criticized me because I grow things that aren't food. But these are seeds of bird of paradise that we collected off of a flower. And so we can make more bird of paradise. Now we could, of course, do those by division. There's a lot of methods of plant reproduction. But we want to actually do them from seeds so we get genetic diversity. That's actually important long term. If you don't understand that, you can look up what a Cavendish banana is and understand what a weird mutant that is and how we could lose bananas worldwide. Anyway, we're just going to go bananas with all these seeds here, but we're going to do it in an organized way, much smarter than we've done before, and we're going to have more visitors down here learning about how we can grow things in a way that's sustainable for the world and better for the soil without a lot of machines. This is a whole different way of doing agriculture. Yar. So this seed cabinet looks a lot better than it did before. It's all organized and we're ready to plant. Now the rains aren't coming until June and we want to plant at the right time of the year. But now we're prepped up. I feel very happy about it. We're going to have excellent success this year planting.